Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro from manufacturer Samsung. So these are wireless noise cancelling earbuds. The box is pretty minimalistic, all black, the embossed name on the side. On the rear, some compliance information, and on the other side, labels which have the model number, pricing, etc. So let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. Though the Buds 3 and 3 Pro have been released, these still offer very good value, are often on sale, so it's totally worth considering if you're looking for noise cancelling headphones and those which offer great sound quality. Now that we have the box open, you can see that the minimalist design and style continue. Setting the earbuds aside, you can see that there is a little case which has your USB charging cable. This is Type-C to Type-C. And also included in that are a few bud tips, 3 different sizes to be exact. If you're wondering where the documentation is, on the back of the upper cover, there is a tiny booklet. The earbud box is white in color to match the color of the earbuds. It's a minimalist white box. The rear is capable of wireless charging. You can see that it says sound by AKG, and this is because the buds are tuned by AKG. The actual buds are very nice looking, very small, minimalist white. The case is magnetic, so these do snap into the case. There is a light which glows either green or red depending on whether it is charging or fully charged. Do get subscribed if you aren't. We will test this and share our detailed thoughts on this device in a full deep dive review. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.